Hi, everyone. Welcome to Clear Voice Pod. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. Hello.
Today, we talk about food. Everyone loves food, right?
Yes, food is my favorite topic. I'm so happy today.
Me too. Before we start, please like and subscribe. It helps us a lot.
Yes, please. It's free and easy. Just one click.
Okay, Alex. Let's start. What is your favorite food?
I love pizza. I can eat pizza every day. What about you, Emma?
I love sushi. It's fresh and colorful. Very beautiful.
Sushi is good too, but pizza is number one for me.
Okay, listeners, let's learn together. When someone asks, "What is your favorite food?" you can answer easily.
Yes, just say, my favorite food is pizza. Simple.
Or you can say, "I love sushi." Very easy.
Or, I really like chicken. See? Just 3 or 4 words.
Now, let's practice. Listeners, think about your favorite food. Say it with me.
Ready? Say, my favorite food is...
Good job. Say it again, louder this time.
My favorite food is... Excellent.
Speaking out loud is very important. Don't be shy.
Yes, your mouth needs practice. Your brain needs practice.
Now, you can add more. You can say why you like it.
For example, I love pizza because it's delicious.
Or, I like sushi because it's healthy.
Let's practice. Say, I love because it's...
Try it. I love coffee because it's warm.
I love ice cream because it's sweet.
Perfect. Now it's your turn, listeners.
Emma, do you have a special food memory?
Yes, when I was a child, my mom made soup for me. I was sick and the soup made me feel better.
That's so nice. Food and love, they go together.
Yes. What about you, Alex?
My grandma made pasta. The smell was amazing. The kitchen was warm and happy.
Beautiful memory.
Listeners, think about your favorite food. Do you have a memory?
Maybe a birthday or a holiday or dinner with family.
Write in the comments. We want to hear your story.
Now, let's learn how to describe food. This is fun.
Yes, we can talk about taste and texture.
Taste means flavor, like sweet, salty, spicy, sour.
Texture means how it feels, like soft, crunchy, creamy, chewy.
Let me give examples. Pizza is cheesy and crispy.
Ice cream is sweet and creamy.
Chips are salty and crunchy.
See? 2 adjectives make your English better.
Let's learn some words. Crunchy means it makes noise when you bite it.
Like chips. Crunch, crunch, crunch.
Chewy means you chew for a long time, like steak or candy.
Spicy means hot. It burns your mouth a little.
Savory means not sweet, like soup or fried rice.
Okay, let's practice. Emma, describe your favorite sushi.
My favorite sushi is fresh and light. It tastes clean and healthy.
Nice. Now, listeners, try this sentence. My favorite food is blank. It's blank and blank.
For example, my favorite food is noodles. They're soft and spicy.
Or, my favorite food is cake. It's sweet and soft.
Good, you can use these words: juicy, tender, fresh, sweet, creamy, salty, spicy, crunchy, soft.
Let's practice more. Repeat after me. Pizza is cheesy and crispy.
Soup is warm and comforting.
Chocolate is sweet and rich.
Salad is fresh and crunchy.
Wonderful! You're doing great.
Alex, where do you usually eat? At home or at a restaurant?
I eat at home most days, but sometimes I go to small restaurants.
I cook at home too. It's cheaper and healthier.
Yes, but sometimes eating out is fun.
Let's teach this. You can say, I usually eat at home.
Or, I sometimes eat at a restaurant.
Or, I often eat with my family.
Use these words always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never.
Let's practice. Say, I usually eat at home.
I sometimes eat out on weekends.
I always eat breakfast.
I never skip lunch.
Great job. These small words are very useful.
Emma, many people feel nervous ordering food in English.
I know, but it's actually very easy.
Let's teach it step by step.
First, you sit down. The waiter comes and says, "Hello, are you ready to order?"
You can say, "Can I see the menu, please?"
The waiter gives you the menu. You look and choose.
When you're ready, say, "I'd like the chicken, please."
Or, "Can I have a burger, please?"
Very simple, just 2 sentences.
If you want help, say, "What do you recommend?"
Or, "What is popular here?"
Let's practice together. I am the waiter. Alex is the customer. Ready?
Ready.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes. I'd like the grilled chicken with rice, please.
Great choice. Anything to drink?
Just water, please.
Perfect. Thank you.
See? Easy.
Now, listeners, let's practice. Repeat. I'd like the chicken, please.
Can I have a salad?
What do you recommend?
Don't forget to say please and thank you. Very important.
After you eat, you need to pay. Say, "Can I have the check, please?"
Or, in British English, can I have the bill, please?
You can also say, "It was delicious. Thank you."
A small compliment makes people happy.
Now, let's talk about cooking. Do you cook, Alex?
Yes, I cook pasta and curry. I like it. It's relaxing.
Me too. Cooking is like meditation.
Let's teach cooking words. Say, I like cooking.
I enjoy making breakfast.
I love baking cookies.
You can use these verbs: chop, boil, bake, grill, fry, steam.
Example, I grilled chicken for dinner.
I baked bread yesterday.
I boiled eggs this morning.
Let's practice. Think about something you cook. Say, I like cooking blank because blank.
My example, I like cooking soup because it's warm and easy.
Mine, I like cooking pasta because it's quick and tasty. Your turn, listeners. Say it out loud.
You can also describe the smell and taste. Say, it smells amazing.
It tastes delicious.
It looks beautiful.
Let's practice. My food smells good.
My soup tastes salty.
My cake looks pretty. Perfect.
Emma, I want to tell listeners something important.
What is it?
Making mistakes is normal. It's okay.
Yes, everyone makes mistakes.
Once I baked a cake, but I forgot to add sugar.
Oh no.
It was terrible, but I learned.
I made a mistake too. I added salt to my coffee instead of sugar.
That's awful.
Yes, but now I always check.
Mistakes help us learn, in cooking and in English.
Don't be afraid of mistakes. Every mistake teaches you something.
Just keep trying. Keep practicing.
Step by step, you get better. Let's talk about food and emotions.
Yes, food makes us feel things.
When I'm sad, I eat chocolate cake. It makes me feel better.
For me, it's warm soup. On a cold or rainy day, soup feels like a hug.
That's beautiful. Let's teach emotional words.
You can say, "This food makes me feel happy."
You can say, "This reminds me of home."
You can say, "This is comforting."
You can say, "This is refreshing."
Let's practice. Say, "This food makes me feel."
Example, this soup makes me feel warm.
This cake makes me feel happy.
This tea makes me feel calm.
Good job. Listeners, think about your favorite comfort food. What is it?
How does it make you feel?
Try to describe it in English. Use simple words.
Example, rice porridge reminds me of my mother. It makes me feel safe and loved.
Beautiful. That's perfect English.
You see, when you connect English to your feelings, it becomes real.
Not just words in a book, real life. Emma, let's talk about sounds and smells in the kitchen.
Oh, good idea.
Food has sounds, like the bacon is sizzling,
The water is boiling.
the popcorn is popping.
What is your favorite kitchen sound, Alex?
I love the sound of bacon sizzling in the pan.
I love the sound of chocolate breaking.
Listeners, think about sounds. What do you hear when you cook?
Now let's talk about smells. It smells delicious.
It smells fresh.
It smells sweet.
It smells like home.
Let's practice. The bread smells amazing.
The coffee smells strong.
The flowers smell sweet.
Good. You can use your 5 senses to describe food.
See, smell, taste, touch, hear.
This makes your English more colorful and interesting.
Okay, let's review everything we learned today.
We talked about favorite food,
How to describe taste and texture.
how to order at a restaurant,
How to talk about cooking.
and how to connect food with feelings and memories.
Let's review important words. Repeat after me. Crunchy,
Creamy,
spicy,
savory,
delicious.
comforting.
Great! Now let's practice sentences.
My favorite food is pizza.
It tastes delicious.
I'd like the chicken, please.
Can you make it less spicy?
This food reminds me of home.
Wonderful. Even one sentence is progress.
Don't worry about being perfect.
Just be natural. Be honest.
One word at a time.
One sentence at a time.
Listeners, we want to tell you something important.
Yes, learning English takes time.
It's like cooking. You need practice.
You need patience.
You need to try again and again.
But it's fun. Enjoy the process.
Don't compare yourself to others.
Compare yourself to yesterday. Are you better than yesterday? Yes? Then you're growing.
Every new word is growth.
Every new sentence is courage.
Every mistake is a lesson.
So be kind to yourself.
Celebrate small wins.
Today, you learned how to talk about food in English.
Tomorrow, you can practice with real food.
When you eat breakfast, describe it in English.
When you cook dinner, use English words.
When you go to a restaurant, try ordering in English.
Little by little, you will get better.
Before we finish, let's do one more practice.
Yes, repeat after us. Ready?
I love trying new food.
It tastes amazing.
I enjoy cooking with my family.
Food makes me happy.
Perfect.
Now, here's your homework.
Today, when you eat your favorite food, describe it in English.
Use 2 or 3 words, like, this is sweet and creamy.
Or, this smells delicious.
Just practice, out loud. Don't be shy.
Your brain will remember better when you speak.
And write in the comments. Tell us your favorite food.
We read every comment. We love hearing from you.
Okay, Emma. I think it's time to say goodbye.
Yes, but first, thank you to all our listeners.
Thank you for learning with us today.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe.
It helps us make more free English lessons for you.
Share this with your friends who are learning English.
Next time, we'll talk about travel and adventure.
We'll teach you how to ask for directions, book hotels, and talk to locals.
It will be fun.
Until then, keep practicing.
Keep eating good food.
Keep speaking English.
And keep smiling.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
You just need to try.
One sentence today can change your life tomorrow.
So keep going. We believe in you.
Thank you for listening to Clear Voice Pod.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you next time.
And bon appétit.
That means enjoy your meal in French.
Bye-bye.
Bye.